So here we are at Awesome Day Belgrade. It's an amazing event. We're speaking with Darko Mesaros. He is a specialist solution architect at AWS. Can you tell us something about yourself and the work that you do at AWS?
Yeah, so my name is Darko. Yeah. I'm a specialist solution architect, and I'm specializing in the marketplace and management tools. When I say management tools, I mean tools such as CloudWatch, CloudFormation, CloudTrail, all those sexy governance tools you want. I come from Serbia. I'm originally from Subotica, which is a town 200 kilometers north, and I've been working for AWS for almost 4 years now. Yeah.
Nice. Can you tell us something about this event? What do you think it means for our local community, and something about it?
I think this is a very important event that we have here. I believe the last one we had was 4 years ago, and we can see that the community has exponentially grown, right? I love to see all the developers and engineers come to this kind of event and discuss AWS. So, and the benefits from them is that they could see how other people do AWS, how other people do cloud, and also hopefully learn something from our technical tracks as well. So, so far I have good positive feedback. So.
Nice, that's good to hear. So, can you tell us something about your sort of ordinary work that you do at AWS? What does your ordinary day compose of?
Well, so my ordinary day, right? There's a lot of emails as per usual, right? So, but in all seriousness, I work with customers that want deep dive discussions on governance or management tools, procurement through marketplace, and also kind of one of the other things I do is these kind of events. So evangelism is one part as well. So doing public speaking, trying to share the knowledge we have, share experiences, and all that stuff.
Yeah. Can you share some interesting insights from the marketplace? What types of applications are most popular these days? With regards of this emergence of serverless, is that changing the landscape of the marketplace?
Well, absolutely. So from recently, we actually got support for Lambda functions in marketplace, so that's going to be very nice. But you can see, traditional software such as Trend Micro or F5. So a lot of those kind of software, and AWS Marketplace actually simplifies the procurement of those because you have a single vendor where you actually procure the licenses and software from that, and you get everything you need from the vendor itself.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so can you tell us something about sort of the future plans for the marketplace? Is it going to stay something like this, or is it going to transform in something that will be more sort of developer oriented, where you could sort of easily maybe publish your applications to the marketplace so that others can buy them?
Well, one thing I'm doing is one thing we're doing with Marketplace, we're trying to enable everybody to become a seller and also become a buyer as well, to streamline that process as much as we can. So, there's always some clunky elements to it, but as we get more and more feedback from people like you and from our customers and from our partners and actually from our vendors as well, we're introducing new features and new quality of life things. So I'm sure that at one point this kind of thing will come.
Yeah, that's great to hear. So you have a talk here today. What is it going to be about?
So I'm going to be talking about database freedoms. So basically choosing the right tool for the right job. I'm going to discuss a few database options. It's going to be very 100 level, so it's not going to be too tech focused, but I'm going to explain that you can, by all means, use multiple different databases for one single workload, and you should always use the right database for the right job. So, and I believe that we at AWS offer you and give you the opportunity to run the exact type of database that you want and you need for the current workload.
Yeah, I think that's very important because of this emergence of new databases like DynamoDB and Aurora Serverless. And
we talk about serverless all the time, so it's important, right?
Yeah, it's important to know the differences and when to use it and when not to use it, which is maybe the more important question.
Absolutely.
So when can we, where can we hear you speak in the near future, besides this event?
Yeah, in the near future, besides this event, I have a user group in Sarajevo. We're a user group in Sarajevo in a couple of weeks. We have an event there. We're going to be talking there. There's a conference in Banja Luka as well. I'm going to be doing there. We have a loft in the Ukraine, so in Kiev, and in Bucharest as well. So I'm going to be doing some workshop with customers. And so for that, also you can see me at reInvent as well. So I will be doing some marketplace magic at reInvent.
Nice. So some memories about you from reInvent of the past years
Okay.
is that you were involved with that little automobile that AWS has. Can you tell us something more about that and who's winning?
Oh yeah, so you mean Deep Racer, right?
Yes.
So yeah, last year we ran so Deep Racer is a machine learning enabled autonomous vehicle that uses reinforcement learning to run a course. So last year on reInvent we had a tournament there, and we decided to take that tournament outside of reInvent, and on every summit so far we ran local tournaments, and the winners of those events actually get to go to Las Vegas for reInvent for a all-out showdown of the racing. So hopefully all the winners from all different summits from Europe, Americas, Asia will be in reInvent this year, and hopefully somebody will get the best time.
Nice. What's the current record?
Oh, I cannot say. I believe it's less than 8 seconds, but I could be wrong. So it's been a while since I've seen it. So,
That's impressive.
yeah, yeah.
Thank you very much
Thank
for
you very much,
speaking
sir.
with us.
Thank you. Thanks.